pusong sugatan. Ako na may takot ng muling magmahal. Dalawang pusong parehong tumatakbo sa mga alaala ng kahapong di malimot. Hindi ko hinanap ang pag-ibig, hindi mo rin kayang maniwala. Pero sa bawat piraso nating wasak, may dahilan para muling magsimula. Kaya't iwan na natin ang kahapon, hayaang maghilom ang mga sugat. Kung bukas man ay puno ng takot, hahawakan pa rin kita ng mahigpit. Baka ang pag-ibig ay hindi paglimot sa lahat ng sakit na pinagdaanan. Baka ang paggaling ay nagsisimula kapag pinili kitang samahan. Walang pangakong di tayo masasaktan, walang katiyakang habang buhay. Basta't habang hawak mo ang kamay ko, hindi na natin kailangang tumakbo palayo. Iwan na natin ang kahapon, hindi na tayo kailangang tumakas. Kung dito nagsisimula ang atin, mananatili ako hanggang wakas. At kung muli mang dumating ang dilim, ikaw ang pipiliin ko. Sa bawat bukas na darating.
This is OST Obsession, your daily dose of music. Today you heard an original track inspired by the series Our Yesterday's Escape. The track is called Kung Saan Nagtatapos ang Kahapon. The final chapter of Gui Saluda's beloved university series follows Kiera, an architecture student carrying the scars of an abusive past, and Shan, a young man whose own experiences have left him questioning love. What begins as a single, unexpected night slowly becomes something neither of them planned for. A connection built through pain, trust, healing, and the possibility of starting again. But when Kiera's painful past returns, the two are forced to confront the memories they have been trying to escape. Can love become a place where broken hearts finally feel safe, or will yesterday always find a way back? Our Yesterday's Escape premieres September 5, 2026, exclusively on Viva One, with new episodes streaming every Saturday. It stars Nicole Omalo as Kiera and Jairus Aquino as Shan, and serves as the sixth and final installment of the university series. Some memories are meant to be left behind. Others lead us to the person we were always meant to find. This is OST Obsession.